morning, everyone. I'm Amelia Diasti. My name is Tera Pasari.
My name is Indah Julia Putri. My name is Chiti Sarah.
On this occasion, our group will presentation topic entitled Business Custom and Practice in International Marketing. To presentation, we will discuss how cultural difference and international business practice influence global marketing strategies and the success of companies in international markets. The first journal is Global Cultural Business Strategies, the impact of globalization on international market entry and emerging economies. This journal explains the globalization brings significant opportunities for companies to expand into international markets, especially in emerging economies. However, cultural differences are an important factor that must be considered to ensure effective marketing strategies. Introduction. It is explained that after globalization facilitates access to global market. Each country has different culture and business customs. This difference can become challenge for companies in determining the right strategies. This study uses a qualitative approach with in-depth interview involving business practitioners and cross-cultural experts. The data is analyzed using thematic analysis to identify factors and draw conclusions. Of this journal is that the success of international marketing depends on our ability to understand and adapt to local strategy adaptation is the key to success.
The second journal is titled The Impact of Cultural Differences on the Effectiveness of International Marketing of Brand. This journal focuses on how cultural differences influence the success of brand in international marketing. Abstract. This journal explains that cultural differences have a significant impact on the effectiveness of international marketing, especially in bundling the global brand. Marketing strategies must be adapted to local cultures to be accepted by customers. Next, introduction. In the introduction, it is explained that consumer perception of brand are strongly influenced by culture. If companies do not consider local value and customer, their marketing strategies might not be effective.
Methods. Let's study mixed methods. Technique, lateral and effective analysis. Focus cultural customer behavior. Conclusion. Cultural difference in the success and brand in international markets. Campaigns and marketing strategy develop local cultural characteristics. Cultural means in a key factor for international business because in two can be local business and brand markets be strong working resolution and accuracy global science.
Book review. In international business and culture challenges in cross-cultural marketing and management, explain that culture has the major influence on international business, especially in marketing and management. Each country has different value, habits, and ways of thinking, so companies cannot use the same strategy in every market.
Number 2, main content, cross-cultural marketing. In cross-cultural marketing, companies must adapt their products, promotional strategies, and communication style to the local culture. A product that is successful in one country may not be accepted in another due to differences in consumer preference, value, and habits.
Cross-cultural management. In cross-cultural management, culture affects teamwork, leadership style, and relationship between managers and employees. In international teams, cultural difference can lead to misunderstandings or conflict in they are to manage it properly.
Number three key concepts. Important in concept three book in life. Cultural difference so in habits. Communication style, different is in tracks. Global vs local adaptation of culture in study and for aspect of business. Number 4, culture in international business. The book Heidi Schiffer in Mind Kaisers. Mixed communication between cultures. Difference in outsourcing and mother text. Defines the product in local marketing business international framework. Key concept in the book in cultural difference, direct in communication style, DVC in French in information based in global and local setting. The main in international business include it mean communication difference is market in word style, the product to local markets and when local cultural be involved. Number 5, suggested solution. To overcome these challenges, companies need to understand local cultures, adapt their business strategies, improve cross-cultural communication skills, and apply flexible management approach. Regulation. The book in Culture involved in success of international business. Companies that in the local cause are you like to be average be the market. Be strong working is like the global social. At global success.
Reference. This presentation is based on several academic journal references that have been carefully selected to support the analysis in discussion. The sources used are relevant, credible, and come from reputable international journals. That concludes our presentation on business, custom, and practice in international marketing. From the discussion, it can be concluded that understanding cultural difference and business practice is a key factor in determining the success of international marketing strategies. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.